Hello friends, welcome to Coach Champ. In this video, you will learn how you can convert your video in animate. As you can see on my screen, this is a simple video and I have converted in two types of animate. So you can also do with the help of this and the app name is GoEnhance. Right now I'm showing you the free version so you can do it for 2 seconds or 3 seconds. But if you like it, definitely you can purchase it and you can make it more than 2 seconds. So for this, we will click here. Just go to Google and type here Go Enhance and then click on Get Started for free. When we click on Get Started for free, then it will show something like that. As you can see, few videos are already here. Same you can make. Click here, drop, drag and drop. If you have your video, as I told you, it will take a small video. So try to use a small video, something like GIF. As I'm going to take this one. Remember, your video should be within 100 MB. Now after that, here you can choose different types of anime style at exactly which type you want. You can choose B4, B3, B2, B1. That is your choice. I'm going to choose this cute anime B1. And after that, the frequency should be 24. No need to take more than it. Video duration 30 seconds as per that this is free. Right now I have only 15 credits. So within 15 credits, it will take about 3 minutes, and within 3 minutes, when you will click on generate option, then you can convert your video this type of anime as you can see here. This is the video one. I hope it's completely. This is the first one. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the second one by which you can convert it in anime. If you like it, you can download it, you can regenerate it, or you can upscale it also. So it's quite simple. As you can see here, that is GoEnhance. Now I'm going to the next option. Now after this, I'm going to tell you that how you can convert your simple images in this type of videos, as you can see here. So for doing this, what you will do, it's really quite easy and very simple. Just log in with Hello AI. As you can see on my screen, Hailuo AI. Just log in with Hello AI and here you will get many options. But today topic is image to video. So I'm clicking here on create video option. When you will click on create video option, as you can see here, I already convert few images in video. You can see here and here. Many images you can see that this is the simple image and I convert it in video. How? Click here on this plus icon. When you will click here on this plus icon, from here you can take any image. As you can see, I have few images. I'm going to choose that one. Uh, which one I can take? Okay, I'm taking the same picture as I have taken before. This one. Same image is this. Click on this open option. After uploading the image, you can enhance camera movement and including pictures also and the quality also. You can type the prompt here. If everything is okay, you can mention that how many pictures you want, one, two, and three. It will take 30 credits. When you will click here on this 30 credits, means when you will click here, I just choose your video, remember. This is the image and I just want to convert it in the video. And after that, right now I have 100 credits. As I will click on it, it will convert my video like this. As you can see, it is here. Okay. If you like it, simply you can click on this download option. It will be downloaded. I hope this part is clear for you. So to today class, I have told you how to convert image into this type of video, and I have also told you that how you can convert a simple video in anime. Okay. Now see you in the next class with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.